No, sorry. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's Q&A. Friday Q&A with Sebastian. With me, right? Let me pin this comment. All right, welcome. Today is a Q&A. No specific topic. You can ask me anything regarding e-commerce. Let's talk about e-commerce today, right? To be specific. So if you have any questions regarding e-commerce, marketing, how to advertise your products, how to choose products, I'll be finishing some things over here. I'm creating like a collection. In the meantime, while I get the questions. So shoot your questions, guys, and I'll get to them. How to choose a product. More specific. Be more specific, man. So how to choose a product. I want to give you some feedback. When I look for products, man, generally speaking, right, I try to see that it's not super saturated, because if it's a product that everyone has been selling for years, then of course it's not going to sell very well because it's super saturated. Everyone on Facebook has seen it. The costs are going to be high. You got to find something that's engaging for a specific audience, something that's not super saturated, something that has good profit margins, because if you buy for 10 and you can only sell it for $15, then you have no space in between the product price and the selling price to afford to spend something on advertisement to get sales. So that's that. What else, guys? By the way, guys, if you want to work with us and have someone that guides you through the process of starting your store, of helping you scale your ads or find products, do market research, find products that actually sell and build your brand, go to roicall.com. That's ROI as in return of investment, roicall.com, and schedule a call with us. Okay? Question, how are you? I'm doing great. Thanks so much for asking. Questions, shoot your questions. So we just changed our theme for our store because I had like a custom theme. I spent a ton of money on it, like more than three, like honestly with all the things we had to change, like 4K, but it ended up being like, you know, a bit glitchy and had a lot of glitches. So I just bought one and I'm like changing stuff. Shoot your questions, guys. Shoot. Pixels. Can you explain pixels? Sure, I can. So basically the Facebook pixel is a snippet of code. It's like a little code, right? That you can paste on your website, on your store, on your landing page. And every time someone makes an action on your store, on your website, on your landing page, an action being entering their email, making a purchase, adding a product to their cart, registering for an event or a webinar, then Facebook will get that data, will know that that happened on your store, that event, because how does it know? Because it has the Facebook pixel, the little code installed in your store, website, or landing page. If you do not have that pixel installed, right, then Facebook won't know what's happening on your store. So essentially what the Facebook pixel is a snippet of code that you place on your website to allow Facebook to know what's going on in your website, what actions, and then Facebook will take the data to find more people on their platform that are likely to take more actions on your store. Essentially what that means is that it's optimizing your ads and it's helping you make more money, more sales. It's helping you get a better return on your ad spend, right? So that's basically what it is. Any other questions? Let's shoot questions. I'm gonna be here finishing this stuff. So take advantage of this free training, guys. Okay. Questions, there we go. What is the best beginning what is the best, beginning in dropshipping from eBay or directly start with Shopify? I honestly use Shopify for everything regarding e-commerce. Well, and ClickFunnels a little bit to make funnels, but the best option is to use Shopify. It doesn't matter where you're sourcing, right? It can be Amazon or eBay or Alibaba or I don't know. Shopify is simply the platform that you use to build your store, but the place where you source your products, where you find your products, where you fulfill your products, that's separate from Shopify. Shopify is just like the platform. What do you think about a personal brand? Man, honestly, a personal brand, for me, everyone should have a personal brand. That's just my opinion. Everyone should have a personal brand. I mean, some people don't like to stay underground, right? And not show anything they're doing or don't get their face anywhere. Personally, I think that the personal brand is like one of the most stable businesses and assets, right? So for example, if you buy a property, you're in real estate, and you buy it in a really nice area, you're kind of like feeling secure in a way because you know that that property is going to gain value over time, it's going to be there, and it's going to make you money, right, and generate income. Your personal brand is pretty similar. It's going to be there as long as you are doing a good job and just being yourself and providing value. It's always going to gain value. It's not going to like lose value. Like unless you do something sketchy, of course it loses value. But it's super profitable, right? It's definitely one of my main income streams, my personal brand, and you can literally control you have full control. You are you. You're not going anywhere. And your personal brand honestly, man, your personal brand is still around even if you die. It's gonna be on YouTube, right? Influencing people, and it's gonna be there, and it's gonna help you to make an impact in the world while making a profit, which is very cool. For make money, you don't need to have money, you just need to have an idea and a plan. This is something that Barranco says. 100% agree with it, man. We didn't start with money. Everyone here in the Tropical Gangsters crib. We have David over there. David, say hi.
Hey, what's up, guys?
David, did you start with money, or were you rich when you started?
No, I didn't start with zero money, but I had an idea. And
Zero money.
Yeah, for me that's the secret. It's just about taking action. Of course, if you have money, it's an advantage, but it's not like a must to start a business. You just need to have an idea, take action, and have the right mindset.
All right, this is like a really cool. So basically, David says that he didn't start with any money. He was not rich. He started with zero, and he invested in one of my programs. He paid me $5,000 for a program, and I helped him get started, even if he had like zero money left. And now he's here in his gangster set over there. So you don't need a lot of money, man. I mean, I always tell people, hey, how much do you suggest for advertisement, right? Of course, I have to say a number, but because it's not like you can invest zero on ads. But man, like if you have an idea, if you really want it, you will get it. Okay, questions. Let me go down. What is the best way to build a personal brand? Man, the best way, hands down, and the easiest way is literally this. Record one video every single day, providing so much value for free that people in the internet think you're crazy for giving so much for free, and then they feel like they owe you something because you help them so much, and now you'll start getting people telling you, hey, how can I buy from you? It's literally that simple. That's how I did it. One video a day. I've been recording one video a day for the past 70-something days. I made a challenge inside my Facebook group where I told people, the members, look guys, I'm going to make a 90-day challenge. I'm going to record one video every day. And I've been recording a video every day. And so does the members. By the way, guys, look, if you're interested in having me and my team guide you on a daily basis how to build your e-commerce business, but also applies if you have an affiliate marketing business. If you have an affiliate marketing business, if you have an e-commerce business, if you have a specific service that you want to sell, but you don't know how to sell it, if you're not generating enough leads, or you don't know how to build a sales funnel for your business, Go to roicall.com. I put the link in this video. There's a pinned comment, roicall.com. Schedule a call with us. We will see where you are, what you're struggling with, how we can help you. We will analyze your business, and we will see if we're a good fit to work together. Look, guys, I'm not just like telling you this to say anything in this live, right? I'm telling you this because I think that we can actually help you out. Our clients, I have to make the numbers, but our clients have definitely generated over 8 figures in the internet, right? Over 8 figures. That's more than $10 million altogether. And I have to make the exact numbers. I think honestly it's close to $20 million, but it's because we've done it, right? It's not like we're just telling you theory from YouTube. So if you feel you need help, if you feel you need guidance, and not just like, you know, like a group where you get support, no, like daily one-on-one help, then schedule a call, right? You literally have nothing to lose, only to gain. If we're a good fit, let's do it. If not, all good, no compromise. We're not gonna push you to make a commitment if we don't feel we can help you out. The other day I was speaking with a guy. He was ready to pay me $7,000, right? No, $8,000. And after speaking with him, I respectfully turned down the offer and told him that he was not a good fit to work with us, right? And that's how we roll. We don't like to sugarcoat everything. We don't like to tell you everything you want to hear. Sometimes in the calls, I literally tell you everything you don't want to hear. Like, it's going to be hard. It's going to require work. And I'm fine if people don't pay me, because I want to work with people that understand how it works. And I think that's better for you, because, guys, who doesn't want to get things straightforward, right? There's nothing more than I hate than someone who just wants to tell me everything I want to hear, right? If they tell me, oh, you look great, or you're doing everything right. No, I want something that tells me, look, man, you're thinking small, your ads suck. I'm like that, right? So several mentors hit me up, but I can't trust them. Yeah, man, you wanna trust the person you're buying from. Shoot questions, guys. Couple more minutes in the live, then I'm gonna get back to my thing that I was doing, adding the collection. Let's see. E-commerce. Requirements to be on your team. I'm from Costa Rica. Honestly, man, there's not like a list of requirements. It's just like it happens, right? Yeah, I don't even know how I ended up with these guys. It was just probably a coincidence from life. So, I mean, if you ask me, like, you have to be a freaking warrior. You don't wanna be comfortable. You wanna win. You wanna have a good mindset. You wanna have good vibes. You don't wanna be like, I could go on and on, right? How to avoid payment processor issues. Oh, this is a good one, man. I'm gonna end with this one and another one. Payment processing issues. So the first issue that people have is that they get their accounts closed, and they get their accounts closed not because payment gateways suck, but because their business sucks, right? In terms that the logistics are not good. Like, customers are getting their products in 30 days, and when they do receive the product, the quality is bad. So if I was that person, I would go and make a chargeback. So when you get a lot of chargebacks and refunds, payment gateways like Stripe, to Checkout, PayPal, they freeze your funds because they are being accountable for each chargeback. And I wouldn't want to have you as a client, right? If I was a payment gateway and you have a ton of chargebacks. So the best way to avoid issues is to improve your business and not worry so much about the payment gateway itself. So improve your business, get faster delivery times. There's so many ways you can improve your delivery time, so many ways you can improve your product quality. Like, just order a freaking sample, right? Order a sample and you will see the quality for yourself. You don't have to be like guessing around. What else? Yeah, man, honestly, there's no like magic fix. Is dropshipping dying? Is dropshipping dead? Whoa, this is a good one, man. This is one I could spend an hour on. But dropshipping is not dead. Just like affiliate marketing, if you think about it. People think that, oh, affiliate marketing is not working anymore. No. Affiliate marketing works just as well as it did 5 years ago when I first started. I started with affiliate marketing, not e-commerce. People are still crushing it with affiliate marketing. I'm still doing affiliate marketing, right? A little bit. It's pretty much automated, but I'm still doing it. And it's not that dropshipping is dead. It's still going to be around in 10 years, 20, right? You can still get products from a supplier to your customer. What's the problem? What's dying is the fact that customers are getting pissed off when their products arrive in 30 days, and when they get the product sucks, right? And the reason people saying it's dying is because Facebook and Instagram, they're closing down accounts, fan pages, and lowering the score of the fan pages that give a poor customer experience. And of course they're doing it. I would do it if I were them too, right? Of course. Because why would you want someone advertising in your platform if the business is sending like literally a crap product and it's taking like 30 days to send a crap product? I fully understand them. So it's not that it's dying, man, but I can tell you one thing. People that build a solid brand with solid logistics are the ones that are going to make the most money in the long term. You can still drop ship right now. It's going to get you sales. But one thing is making sales, and another thing is building a business. Building a business, it takes another mindset, right? It's not that the strategies are harder, it's that it takes another mindset. Building a brand is more of a mindset thing than a strategy thing. Because strategies you can figure them out. Like I could tell you all my branding strategies right now, but if you don't have the mindset and you don't want to build a brand, I cannot make you build a brand. I cannot make you implement the strategies. I cannot force you to build a brand if you just want to get sales. So it's not that the strategies are harder. It's not that branding is hard and it's very advanced. It's that you either want to build a brand or you either want to just make sales. Okay, I have my duck over here. Okay, guys, so that's basically it. Thanks so much for being here. I think we answered a bunch of questions. And I got your Ecom Spark program. Can I still trust your old program? You can, but it's for dropshipping, right? It's a dropshipping course that I created when I was dropshipping. And what a lot of people do is they start dropshipping and then they build a brand. As long as you know that the brand is the long-term strategy, it's the stable strategy, you can start doing dropshipping. But just like make sure that you're working with a good supplier at least, right? I just wouldn't suggest that your long-term plan is dropshipping because, I just said it. Okay, guys, that's basically it. Thanks so much for being on the live stream. If you're interested to work with us and you want my team and I to help you on a daily basis with your ads, if you're having trouble, finding products that sell, scaling your products, building your store, building your team. Most people don't have a team that's efficient, and you don't have to have it in the US, right? It's very expensive. You can have it in the Philippines. I have all my team in the Philippines. If you want help with that, or if you have another business like affiliate marketing, your own product services, network marketing, or maybe you're in a, network marketing company or Forex like IML or whatever, we can help you build a funnel for that and get leads. So if you want to work with us, go to roicall.com. That's roicall.com. Let's have a call, let's have a chat, and let's see if we can work together. That's it. Thanks so much, guys. See you soon.